Hi students, good morning. The chapter 8 Symmetrical Figures. What is symmetrical figures? When it is the same on both sides, its divided line can be drawn to show that the both sides of the shape is exactly same. Is called as symmetrical figures. Yes, the symmetrical figures. Observe the figures. Butterfly. The straight lines can be drawn in this figure. When paper is folded the straight line, the one parts will be exactly with other part. This called as symmetrical figures. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಬಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ 2 ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, horizontal. This one is axis of a symmetry, then is axis of symmetry, and same as it is, one is axis of symmetry and two is axis of a symmetry. Next, figure B. The symmetrical figures, how many axis of a symmetry? Only is circle. The shape is countless axis of symmetry. Then next example, figure C. There are not symmetrical figures. When fold the paper of the straight line draw, they do not coincide with one another. There are not an example for symmetrical figures. It is not example for a symmetrical figure. Next one is example for symmetrical figures. This is one example for symmetrical figures. And this one is also an example for symmetrical figures. Is axis of a symmetry line is L1, L2 and L3. And this is also example for symmetrical figures and both sides are equal. Next, D is also example for symmetrical figure. Next is example for non-symmetrical figures. This is not example for symmetrical figure, and this is one symmetrical figure, and this is not example for symmetrical figures, and this one also is not example for symmetrical figure because these both sides are not equal, and this is not example for one non-symmetrical figures. Then symmetrical cubical figures. Anu and Manu have bought a cakes and different shapes. They are cut into 2 equal parts. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಇರೋಂಥ ಕೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು 2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್, ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ 2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ example for symmetrical and cubial figure. This is called as symmetrical figures, means one axis of a symmetry, and this is called as another axis of symmetry, and this is called as one axis of symmetry. This is called as one axis of a symmetry, and this one is called as axis of symmetry, symmetrical figure. This symmetrical and symmetrical, this all example for a symmetrical figures. Examine whether given figure of symmetrical figures, if they are symmetrical figures, is how many axis of symmetry with draw to them. First figure is one axis for a symmetrical figures. Next, one axis of symmetrical figures. 2 two equal parts is example for symmetrical figures. This axis is denoted with L1 and L2. Similarly, is axis of symmetrical figures is not equal. This is no axis of symmetrical figures, and this one two axis of symmetrical figures. Next, exercise 8.1. Mark the symmetric figures and wrong and non-symmetric figures is right. First one is not symmetrical figures. This one is symmetrical figures. This also symmetrical figures. This also symmetrical figures. Next, a few lines can be drawn. These few lines can be drawn on the following figures. Of the lines is denoted the number and identify the axis of symmetry with write its number. This axis is denoted with L1, line 1, line 2, and same as it is, this axis is denoted with L1 and L2. Similarly, this axis is denoted with L1 is line of symmetry, means L1 means line of symmetry, L2 and L3 is a axis of symmetry or line symmetry. Next, draw a axis of symmetry with following symmetrical figures. Yes, draw axis of figures. Yes. 1 axis of symmetry. Next, L1 line of symmetry or axis of symmetry is infinities, means countless, and this also one axis of a symmetry. Next, a few symmetrical figures with only half part are given, then below complete the remaining part of the drawing. And same similarly, this also same. And same as it is, pair of the figures are given below. If one figure is the imagine and other figure is stick, and if is not put in right.